Today we're changing the oil on our 2000 Jeep Cherokee XJ 4-liter. First thing we're going to do is remove this old oil filter. So we're going to loosen it, let it drain a little bit. I've got a pan down below it. Then we'll remove it and replace it with our new one. Alright. Let it drain for a few minutes before I try and pull it out. Okay, we're going to remove the filter now. It's drained most of the oil. Alright, we got to pick it up. Pull it straight out so we don't dump any extra oil. Let that drain for a minute, then I'll wipe the face of that surface where the new filter will made up. Make sure there's no dirt or debris on there. This is our new filter. It's basically the same part number, but it's the D3402, so it's the Distance Plus version. Moisten the seal a little bit. We lost just a little drip of new oil, but that's all good. It dripped right in the pan. Still have some new oil in there. Alright, so that's hand tight. Use this rubber strap wrench to tighten it just a bit. I don't want to crush the filter, and I think this thing is just a little gentler. Just gonna go like a half turn. I don't want it to rattle loose if I'm on the trail somewhere and be losing oil. So this is not over tightening, it's just ensuring that it doesn't rattle loose. That should be good. You want to remove the oil cap while the old oil is draining. It's just going to help let everything push through a little easier. You can see our new filter in place down below. So now we're going to move over here and loosen the oil drain plug, get that old dirty oil out. So we've got a 16mm socket for a drain plug and a long 3/8 inch ratchet. Got one hand on the pan so I can move it if I need to. There we go. About 10 minutes into draining, still got a pretty steady drizzle. The wind is blowing it around a little bit. Had to move the pan a little bit, but let it go a little bit longer. Get all this out. Okay, so we're just putting the drain plug back in. I'm gonna tighten it up here just a little bit. That should be good. It's time to top off with new oil. I'm using the Castrol GTX High Mileage 5W30. It's a synthetic blend. It's going to take 6 quarts. Let's get this going into our big red funnel. Makes it easy because it's a big target. Put that in there and let it drain all the way out for a minute. Well, that's a wrap. We're just going to cap this guy off. We'll start her up and check for leaks, top off if we need to. Got oil pressure. Our level looks good. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you recycle your used motor oil and filter. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.